Hi all, welcome to Anjanaya Academy, Learning German with Ritu. And today, as you all know, that we have started already with A2 series, and this is text number 8. We are doing text number 8, which is Arbeitswelt. It is based on your book, Netzwerk A2 that you read, and most potential topic that comes in speaking also. So let's do the lesson on basis of that, and I hope you will learn new words and new vocabulary from this. So let's begin. As I said, this is text number 8, guys. Okay. So this is text number 8, and we are doing it today, the Arbeitswelt theme. So first, before I move ahead, I am moving my picture off the screen, and you can take a screenshot of this text. Try to understand by yourself first about the text without internet, without your dictionary. You need to go through it by yourself. खुद से देखना है, पढ़ना है, समझना है पहले, pause करके video. You can zoom the video also. विदाउट डिक्शनरी डिक्शनरी यूज नहीं करेगा कोई, इंटरनेट गूगल ट्रांसलेटर नहीं यूज करेगा, जितना आता है उतना समझो, देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन. आई होप आपने अभी तक पॉज कर लिया होगा, यू हैव पॉज द वीडियो एंड नाउ एंड यू हैव रेड इट ऑल्सो. ओके, यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट ऑल्सो. सो आई विल स्टार्ट टू एक्सप्लेन दिस. मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ एक्सप्लेन करना द टेक्स्ट. Die Arbeitswelt verändert sich ständig. Verändern means to change. It is a reflexive verb, sich verändern, change होते रहना. Ständig is a synonym of immer. Better is ständig. In A2, B1, B2, you will use ständig. It means immer. Früher haben viele Menschen in Fabriken gearbeitet. Heute arbeiten viele in Büros oder im Homeoffice. So früher is earlier, haben viele Leute, earlier many people have worked in factories, you can say. Fabriken is factories. In this, the past tense verb that is used is arbeiten, and past tense is hart gearbeitet. Okay, plural is viele Menschen, many people. इसलिए we have used haben as conjugation, en ending, not hart. Okay, so haben gearbeitet. But today, many people are working in offices or in home office, that is work from home. So in this, they are comparing earlier and today. See how they are comparing. You have to compare in the same way. Ich finde, dass die Arbeitswelt heute vielfältiger ist, weil es viele neue Berufe gibt. So they are saying that now it is very vast, the work culture or working world, because it has now lot many professions and work in it. Okay, things are too much specialized now. So with while, the verb has gone at the end. Vielfältiger is a very good adjective, you can note it down. In modernen Arbeitswelt sind Computer sehr wichtig. In today's modern era or the working culture, computer are very important. Obviously, computer plays an important role. We use computer to stay connected globally, right? Fast jeder Beruf benutzt Computer, die Aufgaben schneller zu erledigen. Fast means here it is not fast, it means almost. Fast means almost. Everybody note down almost. Almost every profession uses computer to get the work done faster. So faster is the comparative. And what is erledigen? To do. Erledigen is the synonym of the verb machen. Karna. To do. Okay. So in A2 or B1, start using erledigen instead of machen if you can, okay, to do for work. It is used generally on a formal, in a formal speaking, okay, or you can say, ich erledige meine Hausaufgabe. I finish my homework. I do my homework. Wenn man im Büro arbeitet, schreibt man viele E-Mails, macht Telefonate und nimmt an Meetings teil. Okay, very nice sentence. You can see when. When is conditional. So verb at the end. Instead of here, where are we writing verb? Here. And in second sentence, the verb is number one position. So when the person works in office, he writes lot of emails, make telephone calls, mark telefonata, note down. That means to make telephone calls. Und nimmt an the meeting style. Teilnehmen is the verb. Teilnehmen hat mitgeteilt. Oh, Teilnehmen hat teilgenommen. Okay? Past tense hat teilgenommen. It means, and the fixed preposition is an, it means to participate. It is a separable verb. Manche Menschen arbeiten, I will scroll it up. Ja, manche Menschen arbeiten lieber von zu Hause, weil es dann flexibler sind. Many people work from home preferably. Lieber is preferably. While, because it is flexible. It gives them flexibility. Manche means few. Fast means almost. Noted down few. So few people like to work from home because it gives them flexibility. This also you can use in your write-up. Natürlich gibt es auch Berufe, bei denen man praktisch arbeiten müssen. Okay, obviously there are, you can say, the profession where the person can work, the person has to work on practical basis, like Handwerker, Krankenschwester oder Verkäufer stehen jeden Tag im Kontakt mit Menschen. That means that it involves a lot of public dealing and they have to be there physically, like carpenter or painter or nurses or a seller. What is Verkäufer? Salesperson. Krankenschwester, nurses, hand worker, the people those like carpenter and painter and other jobs, right? So they have to stay in contact. They have to be in contact with people. Ich denke, dass dieser Beruf sehr wichtig ist, weil sie unsere Gesellschaft im Laufen halten. They are saying that according to me, these professions are very important. ये जो profession है मेरे according बहुत important है because ये हमारी society को चलाए रखते हैं. Because हमें एक हाथ से काम करने वाले भी लोग चाहिए, हमें nurses चाहिए अगर हम बीमार होते हैं, हमें sales person चाहिए अगर हम कहीं shopping center पे जाते हैं. तो Gesellschaft am Laufen halten. It makes our society keep running. ये समाज को चलाते रहते हैं. तो note down, this is a very good phrase. Im Arbeitswelt ist Teamarbeit oft notwendig. यानी कि Teamarbeit is teamwork. So in the working culture or working world is the Teamarbeit often notwendig. Notwendig is obligatory. होना ही चाहिए, जरूरी, which you cannot avoid. Noted down this adjective also. It is a necessary thing. Wenn man gut mit Kollegen zusammenarbeitet, kann man bessere Ergebnisse erreichen. Again, very good sentence for teamwork. When a colleague works together, they can get better results. They can reach to the better results. Erreichen is the verb which means to reach, Ergebnisse result. हम जब कलीग्स होते हैं ऑफिस में काम करने में साथ में होते हैं, जब हम साथ में काम करते हैं तो हम अच्छे बेहतर रिजल्ट तक पहुंच सकते हैं. Außerdem ist es wichtig, zuverlässig und pünktlich zu sein. Außerdem is apart from that. We have done it in previous text also. Apart from that, it is important To be reliable. Zuverlässig, reliable. And pünktlich, punctual. So apart from that, it is important to be punctual and reliable. यानी कि आपका ट्रस्टवर्दी होना और रेगुलर होना भी बहुत जरूरी है. Arbeitswelt, Arbeitgeber erwarten, dass man Verantwortungen übernimmt und seine Arbeit ernst nimmt. Very nice adjective they have used. So erwarten means to expect. It is an verb. Expect करना, वो ऐसी उपेक्षा करता है क्या? कौन? Employer, जो वर्क दे रहा आपको. Arbeitgeber, ओके. सो जो कंपनी या कोई एम्प्लॉयर है जो आपको काम देता है, उसकी क्या उपेक्षा या एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है? दैट यू विल टेक हिज वर्क सीरियसली. फेरेंट das man Verantwortung nimmt. That the person takes the responsibility. To take responsibility, Verantwortung übernehmen. Noted down. Und seine Arbeit ernst nimmt. Arbeit ernst nehmen. To take the work seriously. Ernst means serious. To take the work seriously. Noted down. Pause the video and note it down. I am moving forward. The Arbeitswelt is manchmal stressig. The work culture is or working is sometimes very stressful. So this is sometimes. So manche, few, oft, almost, manchmal, sometimes. Aber es gibt uns auch Chancen. But it gives us also the chances. Man kann neue Fähigkeiten lernen. One can learn new skills. New ability. Okay. Neue Menschen kennenlernen, to get to know new people. Erfahrung sammeln, and also have experience. Deshalb glaube ich. Deshalb is the connector, that means that's why. That's why I believe. Glauben, to believe. Dass die Arbeitswelt nicht nur ein Pflicht ist, sondern auch eine Möglichkeit, sich persönlich zu entwickeln. That the working culture is not only the duty. Pflicht is duty. It is not a duty only, but it is an option. Opportunity. Möglichkeit means opportunity to develop personally. ओके यानी कि अपने स्किल्स को डेवलप करने की एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है, इसको ऐसे लेना चाहिए. Okay, so now I am showing you the complete text. अगर किसी ने नोट नहीं किया था, they will note it down, the important sentences, words, verbs you have come across, and I am vanishing from this video for a while so that you can note down. Please pause the video and note it down. Then we will discuss the quiz and other things also. Do stay here. Also, soon we are going to start after the listening podcast also and other material. So do subscribe to my channel and we will keep doing it. The new task, model test papers and grammar portions, everything will be covered in detail. I will try my best to explain you in a better and easy way. Okay, so I hope everybody has noted by now all of it. So I am now scrolling it down for quiz. Let's understand. Warum ist der modernen Arbeitswelt sehr wichtig? Was ist in der modernen Welt sehr wichtig? What is most important in today's world? TV? No. Bicycle and vacations? No. No. What is important? Computer. Warum arbeiten manche Menschen lieber zu Hause? Why they work? Because they don't have any colleagues, because they get more money, because they do not have any work. No, no, no. Because it gives them flexibility. It was written here. Yeah. I will mark it with the other color pen so that you can understand. Here it is. Got it? Now, welche Beruf stehen jeden Tag im Kontakt? Piloten, Autorin, Maler, no. Informatiker, designer, programmer, IT person, designer, no. Actor, artist or music person. No, they have said salesperson, the person, hand workers, and the nurses. Was erwarten die Arbeitgeber von den Mitarbeitern? What is the expectation? Please write this verb expectation. What is the expectation of an employer? Does this bit common? That you come late? No, never. That you are unreliable? No, they need a trustworthy person. जी keine Teamarbeit. They don't want you to work in team. आपको टीम में चाहते हैं वो वर्क करना. आप ट्रस्टवर्दी चाहते हैं, वो नहीं चाहते कि आप लेट आए. So that you take the responsibility is the correct answer. So what is the takeaway? We learned a lot of new vocabulary from Arbeitswelt, some new adjectives like zuverlässig, fleißig, neues, etwas Neues, vulgarize sein. Okay, and it will give you the personal, you can have upskill yourself also personally. Okay, functionally and interpersonal skills you can develop if you will go, you are going daily out. So I'm done with the text now. And I hope this would have helped you. It comes generally in Ritu speaking also and in B1. So please do that. It will help you. Note down important points and wait for my next text that I'm going to discuss. So do subscribe to my channel and more informative content will be uploaded soon. Okay? Till then, take care. Bye-bye.